What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I am going to be talking to you about this specific error coin. It is very cool and worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so when you look at this penny, this 1999 Lincoln cent, it doesn't look like anything special. It just looks like a regular penny that you would see in your day-to-day pocket change. But I'm here to tell you that this is far from that. This penny is worth $138,000. It sold for that some time ago. Why, you might ask, this penny sold for that amount? Well, check this out. When you flip this penny over, on the reverse, you will see a Roosevelt dime. Yes, that is correct. This penny was struck with a Roosevelt dime on the reverse. So that is what makes this penny worth so much. Now, if you were to ever find a coin like this, take it immediately to your nearest coin shop so that they can verify whether this is real or not. There are scammers out there that are willing to go above and beyond just to take your money. They will try and replicate this coin error by sticking two coins together. And if you don't know a lot about coins, you may believe that that is an actual error and unfortunately fall prey to this. So here's the listing that actually sold on Heritage Auctions for $138,000. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.